Okay guys, so starting off by taking your old and brittle dried up unit, and you're going to start with a clarifying shampoo. I'm using the Aunt Jackie's Cocoa Wash, and this is a clarifying cleansing shampoo, and it also moisturizes the hair. I'm just getting all of the old build up product off. Usually I would just co-wash my units, but this unit needed a little bit of TLC. So get you some, start by using the warm water. That really helped loosens up the hair. And as you can see, I'm getting some snags and some tangles in this unit. Like I said, this is a this unit was, I believe, to be 3 years old. So yeah, I was kind of getting a little discouraged and thinking that maybe this unit wouldn't take my little clarifying conditioning techniques that I use on my wigs, but let's see, let's give it a go. Alright, so as you can see, the build-up product from the Ghost Bond Glue. So I'm going to use the Dawn dish detergent, and it works just as well as an adhesive remover shampoo. You're going to need the Dawn dish detergent and then a Brillo pad. The Brillo pad with a little bit of elbow grease and warm water removes the buildup of your Ghost Bond glue. So yeah, just keep on working that out and everything will be forever lovely. Alright, now it's time to condition the hair using the biotin and collagen conditioner I got from my local Walmart. I'm also using an empty bottle, and I'm going to put just a little bit of that conditioner into this empty bottle along with extra virgin olive oil. And the reason why I'm using olive oil is because it's going to provide a shine, a luster to this brittle unit. It desperately needs it. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of warm water into this conditioner mix, and I'm going to shake that up. Make sure you saturate the whole unit. I know you cannot tell this because the hair is wet, but the ends of this unit, it is a blunt cut. So I'm going to be focusing that conditioner mixture on this on the ends of this unit. Alright, so just make sure you saturate the whole unit. Now, I am so sorry for this part because you see the steam, so bear with me. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. You're going to take some steam, some hot water, and you're going to pour it all over your unit. Then I'm going to be adding some more water to the pot, and I'm also going to be adding some drops of extra virgin olive oil. Once again, the olive oil is just for luster in the hair. It provides a shine to your units. So be careful, all right? The unit is it's very hot. So I'm going to be rinsing the remainder of that conditioner out of the unit. As you can see, the brush glides. It glides smoothly through the hair. All right, I just want you to see how it's coming together. It's coming together. The ends look pretty good. So this is the second time that I'm going to be conditioning the unit. The same conditioning conditioner mix, but this time I'm going to add the unit to a plastic bag. And I'm going to be leaving just a little part of that Ziploc bag open because that olive oil that is in that hot water at the moment is going to, seep into that bag. And that's just going to give me some extra luster to my unit that it desperately needs it. All right, so be careful with this part. All right, if you need to use the back of the brush like I did, by all means do that and dunk it. So I left this unit, this unit in the hot water for about 30 minutes. So then I'm going to be taking some more hot water and just pouring it all over the hair. Then I'm going to be rinsing the conditioner out of the unit. As you can see, that brush is just gliding smoothly through that unit. So I think I did a good job with this one. This is going to be a two-part video, so you're going to see me actually styling the unit in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so now that your unit is cleansed and conditioned, hang that puppy up to air dry, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye guys.